So this issue with NBA star Morant of the Memphis Grizzlies out of the team and out of the league indefinitely after that bizarre gun-wielding incident at a nightclub. 23-year-old Morant is one of the hottest properties in basketball on the brink of signing a max $200 million plus US dollar contract plus endorsements. And with this sequence of insanity, not moment, but sequence of insanity, this gifted and now privileged black American youth with the world at his feet as a young millionaire, him take up gun and gangster thing. How much more brainless can a person be? I think he should be punished for stupidity. Yes, as me say, this never happened in an instance. First of all, he breached the team and league rules with the firearm. The man take up him phone, him press record, him press post, and then him press upload to Instagram Live to his millions of followers. I wonder if Morant know how many suffering youths all over the world would love to see $200 million US dollars, even on TV or in a magazine. This youth have over $200 million US dollars at his fingertips and want dash it away for the streets. Yes, for the streets. All right, to the streets. Go on to the streets. Go on with the streets. Go on with the streets.